Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about review your credit report for errors. Let's get into the video. The first step in improving your credit score is to check your credit report for inaccuracies, errors such as incorrect balances, accounts you do not recognize, or late payments listed incorrectly can harm your score. The actions to take is get a free credit report. Use annualcreditreports.com to access a free report from the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Next is dispute errors. If you spot inaccuracies, file a dispute with the credit bureau. Correcting these errors can lead to a quick boost in your score. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.